Finally, bridging the communications gap between engineering and accounting, an easy, affordable, complete solution for work orders. Terraspatial Technologies, a trusted partner to the utilities industry since 1969, introduces PlantWorks, the most advanced system for utility operations available. PlantWorks has a module for virtually every department and job function within a utility and includes seamless integration. PlantWorks is a cloud-based, hosted software. There are no servers or software to own or manage. PlantWorks is accessible from any computer or device with internet access. In this brief introductory video, we'll walk through the process of creating a work order, a key component to your operations and the heart and soul of PlantWorks. Stay tuned to the end of this video to find out how to schedule a complete demonstration for your utility. There are 5 stages to the work order lifecycle. We'll be covering the first 3, the estimate steps, starting with defining the work order. I've navigated my browser to the secure server where I can log on. PlantWorks opens by default to a work order search page. Here we see a list of the most recent work orders and their current status. Or over here, we can use any of these open fields to narrow the search. Since we are creating a new work order, I simply click Create New and begin filling in the details. Starting with the work order number. This is manually assigned, so you have the flexibility of using any numbering system. And I'll give it a job title, a start date, and choose a district from the drop-down list, and assign it a type, regular or expense. All of these optional fields and their functionalities are covered in full during your utility's private demonstration. And then I'll click Save, and here we are, the electronic cover page of our new work order. That was easy. The enhanced user interface reduces training time and makes for much easier operations. More great benefits of PlantWorks. Here in the Manage section of the screen, we can cancel, edit, or add more details, further defining the work order. Let's add a little more detail. By clicking on any one of these options, the entry fields open and information can be added. The work order can be as simple or as detailed as you like. When I'm done, I'll click Save, and we're back to the work order cover page. Now that we've added detail, a small icon appears which tells any user that there is additional information available. Our next step, draw and edit. For our sample work order, we're going to install a 35-foot pole. We'll begin by adding construction units. PlantWorks provides 2 ways to add your unit callouts. The most efficient option is to use another member of the Terraspatial software family, MapWorks. MapWorks is a fully integrated staking solution based on AutoCAD Map 3D graphical design. It simplifies complex functions such as drawing and editing features, storing geometry, building connectivity, and capturing and uploading staking and outage management. While PlantWorks and MapWorks are designed to work together, both products can be used independently. Be sure and ask about MapWorks when you schedule your demonstration. When you purchase PlantWorks, part of the implementation includes either importing your utility's existing construction units or creating new ones. If I know the number of the assembly or subassembly I want to add, I can simply type it in. If I don't, I can type Ctrl F or click on the spyglass to open the search window. The search can be narrowed by any of these fields, and leaving them all blank and clicking Search results in a complete list of all the units available. PlantWorks was designed for and by our customers, so it's flexible and intuitive. You can use the keyboard or mouse to move from field to field. Each one of these units I'm adding is built behind the scenes and directly tied to your general ledger accounts. We'll cover more of that in the next stage of the work order cycle. When I'm finished adding everything necessary to install our pole, I click Save, and back to work order. We can see some things have changed again. The units we just added are showing here. At any time, we could add more callouts or edit existing ones. Notice that the estimated costs are still at 0. But over here is a new icon, a small exclamation point, which lets me know there's something to do. Our next step: compute and estimate. The options in the workflow section progress the work order through its life cycle. When I click on Compute, PlantWorks will begin to build the bridge between engineering and accounting, generating the estimate. Dollars are now connected to the proposed work. PlantWorks knows exactly which accounting buckets to put which engineering expenses into. I do want to note here that none of these dollars will post to your general ledger until the actual work is complete. We are still in the estimating stage. The complete estimate is here at the top of the page. Clicking any item will take me to the details. Or scrolling down, all the details are here. And that's it. We've defined the work order, drawn and edited, computed and estimated. So easy. PlantWorks also comes complete with a set of very useful reports. During your private demonstration, the next 2 stages of the work order lifecycle will be explored in depth. We've completed the estimating steps. The actuals happen in the next stages. When the work order is activated, the Transactions section opens and real-time, real-life transactions are captured. In the Evaluate and Close, the work order is progressed through its final stages. Remember, additional modules are available for every department and job function, integrating all of your operations. At Terraspatial Tech, we collaborate with each customer to determine the perfect complement of software and services to suit the specific needs of your utility. There is so much more to explore. To schedule a private, full demonstration of PlantWorks for your utility, call us today or visit our website at tstoregon.com and go to the Contact Us page. We sure look forward to hearing from you.